TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay back with another non-phone healthcare work from home job lead. This one does not have any state exclusions. You can do it anywhere within the United States as long as you are willing to work in the Eastern Standard Time Zone work hours. Just a few reminders before we get into all of the details. I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. I don't have any additional information outside of what is in the job description. And if you want to get those applications in, the links are always in the YouTube description box below. Today's job lead is from the company Aetna. They are a health insurance company and they are hiring a provider data services specialist to work fully remote. And they do state that you can work anywhere in the United States. So this is a non-phone healthcare position. They are looking for someone to maintain the provider data for all of their network and non-network providers. So the provider data specifically, they want you to maintain the demographics and the contractual data. Demographics is like the provider's name, their license type, all of that kind of thing. You'll ensure that all the provider information is accurately recorded and maintained to provide for proper reimbursement and member access. So if they don't have their provider information completely up to date, that can cause claims to deny. You'll also be working on developing and maintaining standards for the database integrity, corrective actions, and database alignment of the database that holds this data. You'll perform baseline demographic transactions, updating in the provider system applications for support of claim adjudication and provider directory. You'll also send requests to individual providers or groups to verify their information is correct that you have on file, and you'll follow up as needed. Now, pay is always dependent on experience and location, but this job pays anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $27.16 an hour. They do not require any college degree, only a high school diploma or GED. They do want someone who has PC skills, including using Microsoft Office products. That's Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, all of those things. And they only actually require someone who has 6 months of some kind of healthcare or claims experience, 6 months of customer service experience. So you don't even really have to have a lot of experience. Now, they do have preferred qualifications, but again, those are not required. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.